Aataze YouTube, it's Addashiro, and it's time for our first episode of Super Mario Sunshine. And let's get into it. Oh boy, I remember playing this when I was younger. This game, makes me. Had some good times, had some bad times. Some good times, some bad times. But we're gonna get through all of it. Relatively fast.
Oh, look at that!
Delfino.
To the sun-drenched tropical paradise of Isle Delfino. We're so pleased to welcome you to our beautiful home. Come enjoy a natural wonderland to which we added the world's finest resort facilities, a spectacular amusement park, and
Hey, look at that food.
all this and more await you on Isle Delfino. Come
Hey, bam, bam. Oh, they lean with a rock with it. Hey, they lean with it. Hey. Ooh, that Shadow Mario right there. Spoilers alert. No one ever paid attention to Princess Peach. It's a shame sometimes. Delfino, the island of the dolphin. Super Mario Sunshine. Let's get it. Alright. Jump right into it. Alright, let's get it. New game. Start. Jump right into it. Bam. See, and that's that would have been a catastrophe. And see, that's where this is why you wear your seatbelt.
What's this icky paint-like goop? It's moving!
Now, boy, don't touch that stuff.
Excuse me.
And bam, it's gone. Boy, they should put Shadow Mario in Super Smash Brothers, or that version of Bowser. That clown car thing, it's not sitting well with me. They could have made Bowser Jr. way cooler. Mario, be careful. I have a bad feeling about this. Hey, I got this. Bam, already on it.
Power up complete. Thank you for purchasing this item from GAD Science Incorporated. Preparing to register customer information. Scanning and
Hey, buddy, my eyes up here. Look up. My eyes up here. There you go.
Subject identified as Mario, resident of the Mushroom Kingdom. Data storage complete.
Dang.
I am Flood, a flash
Don't be that quick.
equalizer ultra-dowsing device. I hope to be of assistance.
Yo, we out here.
Proceeding
Ready to
with
clean.
user instruction.
A mess that we didn't even make.
Use the button to shoot
And being
water
frank.
from my cave. If
Oh,
you
my bad.
press
Did I
the
do another
button,
spoiler?
you can stop and shoot.
Let me shut up.
You can then use the stick to aim in any direction. Press the X button to switch to the hover nozzle. You can then press the button to hover in the air for a short time. If this tank is empty, no water can be sprayed. To refill tank, enter a body of water and press the button. Instructions complete.
Seem easy
Proceed.
enough. Mario pressure washing business. No, don't explain yourself again. Alright, a little test run. Bam. Say less. Bam. Grab that coin. Already 2 coins. Spin move. Yeah, I still remember. Damn, already out here. Let's go. Let's go. Bam. Lean with it. Hey. 1. Lean with it. 2. Can we get a 3? Oh, 3. Oh, snap. 3. Too easy. Clean that up. Yeah, there you go, buddy. How you doing? Thought you were a goner, huh? My fault. Excuse me? Hold up, fam. We're almost squared up. Well, let me grab this real quick. Yeah, buddy. Let it shine. We're gonna let it shine.
Nice work, Mario.
Quite an unusual device. Is it some sort of pump?
Hey, don't touch the gadget.
Glad to meet you.
Ooh, they want to be a part of my business, my pressure washing business. Oh, out here because I didn't have a license. Boy, I tell you what. The world could be cruel sometimes.
Court is now in session.
As you are no doubt aware, someone has been senselessly defacing Fair Isle Delfino using some paint-like substance.
Locking me up. Y'all
The
need
accused is charged with
cleaning.
polluting our beautiful home, and yes, endangering our very way of life. Indeed.
Oh wait, y'all
how
blame
could
me
one
for
not
this.
be
Hold
aware
up
of
now.
what is going on?
Hold
Though
up.
it is daytime in Delfino Plaza, our poor residents tremble beneath a veil of darkness. Expert shine scholars have determined that this darkness has arisen because all of our guardians, the shine sprites,
This guy low key sound like my pastor. Not gonna even lie to you.
the reason? It's quite obvious. This horrible graffiti is to blame. Behold the sketch of the perpetrator based on eyewitness descriptions.
That doesn't look like me at all.
It is obvious that guilty party sits among us. It is
Ooh, the game
none
Among
other
Us.
than Mario.
Checks.
Overruled.
me stop,
The
stop,
judge
focus.
The defendant's guilty as charged. I hereby order the defendant to clean this entire
The
island.
entire
Until
island.
Delfino is completely free of his vile handiwork, Mario shall not be allowed to leave.
Joke's on you. I didn't want to leave.
Adjourned.
This appears to be quite a predicament, Mario.
You think, Flood?
Meta-analysis verifies that the island's inhabitants are indeed troubled by pollution, but the pollution itself is not the main.
Enlighten me, Flood. What do you think the problem is?
Mario, you witnessed this object at the airstrip, correct? It is a shine sprite. Shine sprites are the source of power on Isle Delfino. They used to gather
interesting.
in great numbers at the Shine Gate, but the graffiti incident has polluted the island and most of the shine sprites have fled. There is no longer any power to support the peaceful lifestyle of the islanders.
Nice,
It
nice,
is
nice.
most pitiable. The only way to ensure the return of the shine sprites is to keep the island from becoming any dirtier. The perpetrator is likely at work even as we speak,
Perhaps.
and you, Mario, are being treated as a
Without a
criminal.
doubt.
Tomorrow we must do our best to resolve this situation.
Oh, hands down, Flood. We're gonna catch the perpetrator at the source. I handle this. Handle all of this.
Straight that way. You can't miss the mess now. Your first job's to get rid of all that ugliness. And remember, we'll be watching you, pal. We'll know if you start slacking off.
Hey, fam, I don't tell you how to do your job. You're not gonna tell me how to do my job. That's how I see it. You know, I'm out here just trying to live my best life. You gotta attack the mess at the source. Bam. That's too easy sometimes. Addashiro, you played this game before. Yeah. Am I speed running this? No. I'm not speed running. I'm not a speed runner by any means. Ooh, snap. Okay, there go two. There go two. Damn, that boy twitching out over there. Earthquake? What's this? Statue?
Princess, look! On the statue's head!
Yo. The man, the myth, the legend. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you. Someone should make a mod where we can use that Mario. Dude, that'd be so dope, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think the paintbrush is way cooler than Flood, but I do love Flood, but I mean. Ooh, oh, let go, let go. Come on, come on. We gotta save the princess. This should be easy last time I remember. Just, yeah, pretty easy. Alright, dude. Like, you letting him get away? Nah, not at all, man. I know exactly where this man's at. See? It didn't go nowhere. Shadow Mario's kind of slow, though. Where this dude went? Where he hiding? Alright, say less. Episode 1. Easy as pie. See, man, just attack the problem at its source. There's nothing you can't handle. Absolutely nothing. That boy leaning with it. Leaning with it now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, boy. Now, why are you running over that way? I am trying to grab my coin. That thing's still alive. Hold up now, hold up now, hold up now. My coins! My coins! My coins! No! My money! Oh! The irony of my money. Goodness gracious, my money. Grab this though. That's all I need. I only need 12 coins, 12 cents. That's all I need. See that? See that huge flower up there? That's next episode for sure. You're on my list. Till next time. Damn! Definitely gonna grab this shine though. Shine Sprite. Well, with that being said, if you want to see more, please Shinobi, strike that like button. Subscribe today to join the League of Shinobi. Till we meet again, Aataze signing out.